I'm Dr. Leo Powers. I'm a chiropractor in Plover, Wisconsin, and I've worked to try to figure out how to get people to stay healthy. Some people come in and they have an autoimmune disease, where that means they're supposed to be allergic to themselves, and so post-COVID syndrome is kind of like that. You feel blah, you got brain fog, yeah, gut's not working exactly right, you don't feel good. So part of how you can tell if something's wrong is you can do an actual blood test, and we do draw blood here. And so your white blood cell gives you a lot of information about what's wrong, because your white blood cell tells which organisms your body's fighting. And so normally the blood is between the normal levels, they say is between 4 to 10.5 thousand units. And so if you're in that range, medically they say you're just fine. However, the problem with that is there's a differential where each white blood cell type is different, and if it's higher, that means something else is wrong. So the lymph one is tied in with the viruses or protozoa, and they're when the COVID first came out, I found out, I learned something, and they said that in a papers, they said that if you have been exposed to protozoa, which was part of the why you want the water filter and some of the other things to do to help with the protozoa, so it's not in your system very much, especially in the water. But the protozoa, if you're not being exposed to protozoa, then your white blood cell count, which normal was 3.5 to 10.5 or 4 to 10.5, would be low 7,000. So the 7,000 can be a protozoa infection. So, and when you get lower amount of microbes in your blood, then you feel better. When you're not tired and your body's not trying to fight off these microbes as much. And filtered water tastes better than the other water, but it's important to get water that has trace minerals in it too, because trace minerals are important for your body. And so basically, some of my patients, they've gotten the water filter, they take some supplements that help to cleanse the filters in the blood, and their white blood cell counts a lot of times are like on the low end of normal, like 4,000 or 3,500 instead of 4 to 10,500. And so because they have less microbes, their body cleans out, their liver gets healthier, their joints get healthier, they have less stiffness, they're more flexible, and that's what you want. So anyway, so that's what that would be another test to look at, the white blood cell count. And so even if you don't have an abnormal white blood cell, I still want to look at it, because that information can be very helpful into determining whether you're drinking enough high quality filtered water and you're taking enough nutrients that help to clean the blood, in other ways. So I'm in Plover, Wisconsin. It's Powers Chiropractic.